Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust headlights on Kia Sedona, only way. Begin by parking 25 ft from a flat wall and ensuring tires are inflated to spec. Measure center of each headlight and mark the wall with tape at those heights. Open the hood and locate the adjustment screws near the headlight housing. Work on one side at a time while keeping the vehicle level and steady. With the hood open, stand in front of the headlight and point out the two adjustment screws that control vertical and horizontal aim. Use a 10 mm socket or Phillips as needed and test each screw gently to feel the mechanism move. Make small turns of about 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn and recheck the beam against the wall marks. Keep adjustments gradual until the pattern aligns with the taped center lines. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting in the driveway more fun and keeps your hands free when following repair guides. Check the description for the product link and any deals, and grab a copy for relaxed reading while parts soak or bolts loosen. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by setting the vertical aim to place the brightest part of the beam just below the headlight center mark on the wall. Next, tweak horizontal aim so the beam is centered or slightly right of center to reduce glare for oncoming drivers. Recheck after each small adjustment from both 10 ft and 25 ft to confirm consistency. Tighten any fasteners and verify both headlights match in height and direction before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.